what's up guys? Great news to our fellow Filipinos and fellow kababayans in the Philippines as the government of Canada announces yesterday its 44 million pesos in COVID-19 assistance to the Philippines. And let me read to you the official statement from the Embassy of Canada in the Philippines. It says that the government of Canada announced today that it is providing more than $1.1 million, approximately 44.5 million in additional COVID-19 assistance to the Philippines. The COVID-19 pandemic is a global threat that does not recognize borders and can only be overcome through coordinated actions around the world. The government of Canada is therefore pleased to partner with the Philippines in its efforts to combat the virus. Two initiatives are being launched to help support the Philippines through the COVID-19 pandemic. Canada is donating to the Philippines 120,000 N95 PPE masks valued at 782,000 Canadian dollars, approximately 29.5 million pesos, as part of Canada's 4.5 million in-kind contribution to 6 Asian member states. Canada is adding 400,000 Canadian dollars, approximately 15.2 million pesos to the existing 17.8 million Canadian dollars Sexual Health and Empowerment Philippines SHE project with Oxfam to ensure the unhampered provision of sexual and reproductive health services during COVID-19. This investment complements ongoing response activities, including the establishment of an emergency hotline for health services and gender-based violence, procurement of PPEs for barangay health workers, and distribution of family planning information materials. The additional funding will support core activities of the SHE project, which aims to improve the quality, availability, and uptake of health services of over 85,000 women of reproductive ages, as well as adolescent girls and boys in conflict-affected and disadvantaged regions in the Philippines. Canada continues to contribute to international efforts by providing urgent and necessary funding to support the most vulnerable. This reflects a commitment to deliver a feminist international assistance policy, particularly in advancing the sexual and reproductive health and rights of women and girls. Canada is also supporting other Asian countries, including the Philippines, by providing PPEs and capacity building for the Philippines-led Asian Biodiaspora Virtual Center within the Asian Emergency Operations Center network. The Philippines is also one of the beneficiary countries identified to receive COVID-19 diagnostic equipment, testing kits, reagents, and laboratory consumables as part of a 5 million Canadian dollars global project Canada is funding through the International Atomic Energy Agency. This was officially released last June 10 of 2020. For more information, please contact Public Affairs Office, Embassy of Canada, Level 7, Tower 2, RCBC Plaza, 6819 Ayala Avenue, Makati City. Email at manil@international.gc.ca. Now let's read some of the comments and reactions from our fellow Filipinos. This one is from Justin. Very kind gesture. I hope the Philippine government is able to facilitate hospitals and institutions appropriately in order for such international support to actually reach the people in need. This one is from Daryl. Thank you to our Prime Minister Justin Trudeau for helping my country Philippines. Keep safe and God bless. This one is from Catherine. Thank you much Canada Prime Minister for helping my country Philippines. God bless and keep safe always. This one is from Stephanie. In which hands will this be going to when everybody puts their hands in the pot? How much of that will go towards the real cause? This is the Philippines after all, where corruption is rampant. That is a good point out there from Stephanie. And I do hope that this aid from Canada will reach the proper hands. From Adam, please make a public list of recipients of this money so it can be tracked appropriately. As Canadian taxpayer, I'd like to see the transparency here. Thanks. Another good point right there from Adam. From Luz, thank you Prime Minister of Canada. Wish and pray that the money will safely receive to the hands of honest citizens, not to the crooked ones. From Dorothy, wow, that's nice gesture from the Canadian government in helping the Philippines. From Debbie, Salamat Canada, God bless our beloved Philippines and Canada. From Belinda, thank you Prime Minister Justin Trudeau of Canada and its people. And I also would like to thank Canada for helping my fellow kababayans in the Philippines. This is such a great help, especially in these trying times. And that's all I have for today. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, more videos to come, and I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye-bye now.